Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy sausage and tortellini soup. To my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 pound of Italian sausage. I'm going to break that up and let that cook for about 8 minutes. Just make sure to go in there and stir it in between. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped celery to that, 1 cup of carrots, half cup of chopped onion, and 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Give that a stir and let that cook for 5 minutes. When you chop your celery and carrots, make sure they are around the same size. You just want them to be bite-sized pieces. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes to that, 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use chicken broth or chicken stock, either one would work. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning to that, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a stir and let that cook for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and look how good that looks already. I'm going to add 12 ounces of frozen tortellini to that, and this is just a 2-cheese tortellini. Give that a stir and you're going to let that cook for about 8 minutes. You don't want to overcook your tortellini. The very last thing I'm going to add to that is 1 cup of heavy cream. At this point, you turn off the stove and then you just stir your heavy cream in. And then I like to let it sit a little bit before I serve it up. I mean, how easy was that? That's the easiest soup I've made. And it's so flavorful and so good. As you can see, it looks a little bit greasy on the top, but all that is from the sausage. And I don't mind it in there at all. I think it makes it taste better. You know, more fat, more flavor. But I didn't put any oil in the pot. If you've never had sausage and tortellini soup, you have to make it. Oh my gosh, it's so good, it's so simple, and it's so flavorful. And especially now in the colder months, oh, this just hits the spot. I really hope you try this one, and if you do, please come back and let me know what you think. You can tag me on any of my socials at Cooking with Shirani, or you can just leave a message here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.